Hey everybody, it's me, Ivy. So today, or yesterday, I got my Birchbox, but today I also got my nails done. Got these. I found this, well, except not where I want the gold to be, but that's okay. I saw this nail design, not design, but nail color on Pinterest. So I was like, ooh, I like that. Something different. And plus, I miss having my ring finger with a different color. So it's supposed to be purple, gold, purple, 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 and purple, gold, purple, purple, purple. I think I confused the lady who was doing my nails, so she just gave me this. It's cute this way. It's cute. I'll say it's cute. But I wanted. This is right. This is supposed to be This is supposed to be gold, and the rest are purple. But this is okay. Um, she put too much of paint on this pinky because now it's bulky in the corner and a little bit here, and she boo-booed me here, but that's okay. But I'm still happy. I like it. You know, it's not like picture, but that's okay. Still like it. Anyways, I'm gonna do my Birchbox. It's so cool for Halloween. So, yeah. Anyways, so trick or treat is a treatment step. You know how to, use a moisturizer. Start with thin and then thick, and all that good stuff. And what I have today in a thingy. This is need a reason to start holiday shopping early. Subscribe to another Birchbox for somebody, but I don't need to do that. Alright, let's just take everything out. Oh, I brought the cushion thing back. Excuse me. Okay, first thing first is this. It's a leave-in detangler. Oh, it's also a heating spray too. Oh, that's cool. So the full size for that is $23.50. This would be good for me and my mom. All right, next is this. Let's get this right. Are you done? Guess not. Anyways, this is. Oh no. Well, let's talk about this anyways. This is not. Anyway, this is a gel lip crayon pencil. It's a dusty rose, as you can tell. It stays on. So I was thinking of filling my lips with this because I don't really use lip pencils, but this sounds really cool and very pretty color. Is to put this around all my lips and then putting this lip color on top of it. So I'll show you what it looks like. I'm also going to get this again for my sister. So that's that. Very pretty. It looks dark here and then on there it's light, but that's okay. But it's nice. One thing is it's a full size. So I'm going to try that out and see how it is. Okay, next. This was supposed to be next. This is a coconut, whatever that is, hand and nail balm. And also great for your cuticles, too. It hydrates, treating nails and cuticles. So that'd be great, especially the manicure that I have. Alright, next is my first Philosophy perfume. Actually, can't. That. Okay. So this is a perfume or fragrance. And nude rose. Oh. Here. Let's see. For this is $12. For this is $20. Anyways, the Philosophy full size is $50. But this is a big sample, and it smells good. I don't like it when it's this. I like it when it's a spray, much easier and not leaking. This hasn't leaked yet, but it smells so good though. So refreshing, so good. I want to get the travel thingy that you put in your perfume in and you travel. Yeah, I want to get one of those. All right. Last two things. Let's see. This. Excuse me. I'm exhausted today. All right. This. The lighting, no. Well, it's gloomy out today because it's raining. Very windy. Anyways, this is R plus CO. It's a brand. I have multiple of these guys, so I'm very familiar. This is High Dive Moisture and plus Shine Cream. Full size is $29. Oh, it's great for frizz. It would be good for my mom too. So it helps with frizz, smooth, and all that good stuff. Alright, this guy. This guy right here. I have multiple of products from them. Sunday Riley, is that what it is? Anyways, it's a acid treatment or something like that. It's a kills dead skin, not kills, but it clears dead skin. Plumps fine lines, even out hydration, and boosts your skin glow. So it's all that good stuff for your skin. It's like a anti-aging kind of thing. Good thing I wanted to try this, but I'm not getting a full size anytime soon. Ready for the price, $105 to $158. This is the best seller. That's why it's expensive. This type of brand is expensive. But anyways, I hope you guys like what I got for this October from Birchbox. I'm very happy and sad there's not a lot in this box. Usually Christmas one is, because of, you know, they add extra something. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you liked what I got and like my new nails and the idea of this together. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.